Good morning, students. Today we would be doing the chapter Interfaces. You may kindly refer the worksheet M07 dated 13/4/2020. Interfaces. The devices that transfer data through telephone lines or even in the wireless mode are called as interfaces. So today children, we are going to do the chapter interfaces. What is an interface? An interface is a device that helps you to transfer data through any telephone line or even sometimes in the wireless mode. Now when we talk about telephone lines, the examples of interfaces are modem. When we talk about wireless mode, we have routers, we have Wi-Fi connections. All these are called as interfaces because they help us to transfer the data from some device onto the other device or from the internet onto our devices. Now the examples of interface units are, we have the router, we have the Wi-Fi and the modem. Now we are going to do in detail all the three units which are examples of interfaces. Now what is a modem? A modem is also called as a modulator, demodulator. It uses a telephone line for transfer of data. It is used in WAN, that is wide area network, and MAN, metropolitan area network. Now what is a modem? The first two letters MO stand for modulator and DEM stands for demodulator. So now what does a modem do? It is a device which helps you to transfer data using wires, that is through telephone lines. We use a modem when we want to transfer data using a wider area of network. We use it in WAN, we use it in MAN. We are going to do these two networks later on. If you see the diagram given below children, there is a computer which is connecting the telephone line through a modem, and this modem connects to the next internet, that is a World Wide Web, again through a modem. So a modem is basically used to connect a computer to the telephone line, and from the telephone line it connects us to the internet. Now there are two types of modems, internal modem and external modem. Internal modem is a modem that resides inside the computer. It is inside the CPU on an expansion board that plugs into a computer. Like we have the display card, we have the sound card. In the same way children, this modem, the internal modem, is also like a plate. If you see the picture of the internal modem children, this modem is fixed inside the CPU box. It is plugged into the computer. That is why it is called as the internal modem. And what is an external modem? An external modem is a box that is attached to a computer port via cables or via wires. So if you see a black color box or a box just next to your CPU which is outside the CPU, it is called as a external modem, or it is also called as a modem which is not inbuilt. Okay, it is externally attached through wires. Now if you see in the current scenario, we have more of internal modems. You will not see this black color box anywhere outside the CPU. Now what is a router? A router is used to transfer data using a telephone line, but it is used within the LAN, that is the local area network. Children, you must have seen a black color box or any box connected with two antennas on it in your house, maybe in the drawing room or in next to the bedroom. That is a router. When you click on for internet connection, you will see some red color light signaling on the router. Okay, so that is used to transfer data using a telephone line. You need a telephone line connection it may be MTNL, it can be through your Tata telephone line, any telephone line, but this router can only connect to you in a local area network within a very small vicinity of area, maybe just a building society within the premises of a building, or it may be within your home resident, or it may be in your school computer lab. So what is a router? If you see the diagram, children, there is a laptop. It is connecting to the router. Okay, the center one is the router. This router is dialing the number and connecting you to the router of the internet. That is how you get the connection. Next is Wi-Fi. Full form of Wi-Fi is wireless fidelity. Now what is Wi-Fi connection, children? Something which is wireless, which does not have any wires. Okay, it works on the basis of radio signals, radio waves. Okay, so your laptop, your tablet or desktop uses a wireless adapter to translate data into a radio signal and transmits that signal using an antenna. Those radio waves emanate outwards from the antenna and are received by your wireless router. Now children, if you want to connect your laptop or you want to connect your mobile phone to Wi-Fi connection, what happens is this Wi-Fi connector has antennas which emit radio waves, radio transmissions. These red color circles in the picture show you radio waves. They are emitted when your Wi-Fi connection is on, and that is how we connect it to the laptop or to your mobile phone. Okay, you keep your mobile data on and you connect the Wi-Fi connection on your mobile. Now what is the function of an interface? Maybe it can be a modem, it can be a router, it can be your Wi-Fi connection. An interface is a converter. Okay, it converts your analog signals into digital and digital signals to analog. This is something very interesting, children. If you see the diagram, computer A is trying to dial to the World Wide Web, in which the computer is connecting to the modem through a telephone number. Now, a telephone number is a numerical number, right? It is a digit. So these digital signals are sent through the modem in the form of analog signals. These analog signals reach the modem of the World Wide Web, and again they are connected in digital form, and that's how it reaches the computer B. So basically an interface is a modulator, demodulator. It modulates the digital signals into analog and the analog signals into digital. Now uses of an interface. The interface helps us to surf the internet. You can send and receive fax messages. You can send and receive emails and also exchange data. Surfing the internet is you can search for some information for your project work, or you want to watch some YouTube link on the internet. You can surf the internet to get the information. All this is possible only if you have a router, a Wi-Fi connection or an modem. Then you can send and receive fax messages. Fax messages are basically used in offices, children. You need a fax machine. It's nothing but just a copy sent through a fax machine and is received on the other end like a scanned copy. So those are called as fax messages. The third is send and receive emails. You can receive letters, electronic letters. Okay, you can send them through the interface with the help of an interface, as well as you can receive the emails. You can exchange data. You want to send some good pictures, you want to send some good videos, you want to send some links, attachments. All this exchange of data is possible only because of interfaces, because of the Wi-Fi connection you have, because of the router you have at home, and also if you have an internal modem. Now there are a few abbreviations which you need to remember, children. Modem. What is the full form of modem? MO stands for modulator and DEM stands for demodulator. I just now explained, children. Modulator is transferring digital signals into analog, and demodulator means analog to digital. Next is LAN, local area network. Now this network, children, is basically locally. It can be within a building premises, it can be at your home residence within your home, or it can be your school computer lab. That is known as local area network. The next one is MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. Metropolitan cities are connected through interfaces. So those are, for example, Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata, all these are metropolitan cities. When you have a network connection in between these metropolitan cities, it is called as MAN. The last one is WAN. WAN stands for Wide Area Network. Wide Area Network is globally. It is wider than the metropolitan area network. You can connect from country to country globally, maybe from India to UK, India to US, anywhere around the world. So that is Wide Area Network. Thank you, students. Hope you enjoyed watching the presentation.